Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I am not a huge fan of cleaning, but this makes it so much easier for me to clean. I love the way the broom glides across the floor. You can really move it without any effort, really. The broom head moves side to side, so you can really get into the parts where you wouldn't usually be able to get. So you get a really clean baseboard or corners or where normally it would be hard for a broom to reach. I really love the teeth on the dustpan. It makes it a lot easier to get all of the dirt and lint and everything that your broom picks up. It's also super skinny, so it can get in tough to reach places. So if you do not like to clean like me and you're looking for something to make it so much easier, I would highly recommend this product. And that's my point of view.